In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a price alert on Bitfinex. Price alerts are useful for tracking important market movements, but there may come a time when you no longer need a particular alert. If your trading plan has changed or the alert has already served its purpose, Bitfinex makes it easy to remove it from your account. To get started, navigate to the Order Book section and click the bell icon above it. Once you've opened the alerts list, you'll see all of your active price alerts. Each alert typically displays information such as the trading pair, the target price, and the condition that triggers the notification. Review the list carefully to locate the alert you want to remove. After finding the correct alert, look for the option labeled Delete. This option allows you to permanently remove the selected price alert from your account. Before confirming the deletion, take a moment to verify that you've selected the correct alert. Since deleting an alert stops Bitfinex from monitoring that specific price condition, you'll no longer receive notifications when the target price is reached. Once you've confirmed your choice, proceed with the deletion. The alert will immediately be removed from your active alerts list and will no longer appear among your saved notifications. After deleting the alert, refresh the alerts page if necessary to confirm that it has been removed successfully. If you accidentally delete the wrong alert or later decide you still need it, you'll simply need to create a new price alert using your preferred trading pair and target price. It's a good idea to review your active alerts regularly. Removing alerts that are no longer relevant keeps your notifications organized and helps ensure that you only receive updates for the market conditions that matter most to your current trading strategy. And that's how you can delete a price alert on Bitfinex. By reviewing your active alerts, selecting the correct one, and confirming its removal, you can keep your account organized and manage your market notifications more efficiently.